Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a Bobcat 643. This is a very clean, original old machine. It is straight, I will give it that. Here is the deal. It is either low compression, blowed head gasket. We don't have time to fool with it. Something I bought we were going to and we're just too busy. So I'm selling some older machines that I had setting up back that I was going to go over as project machines. Here's something if you're looking for a cheap skid loader. Here's something to take a look at. Has a 48-inch bucket on it, cutting edge is bad. Boom is in decent shape. It is 2-pin skid steer quick attach. Typical, has a fish plate weld right there. Auxiliary hydraulics. The seat is bad. Boom face is not welded at all. One new tire, the other three are junk. And it will need 3 tires. But one tire there is almost brand new, or is brand new, a tit's still on it. The frame of this machine is extremely, extremely straight. Here's what we had found when we originally looked at this, and like I said, we got extremely busy with other stuff. Machine, we feel has either low compression or a blowed head gasket. It was low on antifreeze, which would indicate generally a blown head gasket. We did a compression test. It was weak on one cylinder in the center. That's usually where they blow. Could be a cracked head. We don't know that. There again, this is being sold as a project. We have spun it. It spins 360. You come here, we'll gladly put a jump pack on it, turn it over for you, that kind of thing. But this is where you're buying it, and this would make somebody a great project. This is a D1402 engine, so if you would have something sitting around, or you have a 643 that has a good engine, well, fellas, here's one that actually has a very straight body on it, that is actually not all busted up, other than that one weld we showed you up on the tilt tower. It would make somebody a nice old skid loader. Generally, they didn't have auxiliary hydraulics on them either. So, again, buying it that way. Drivetrain, as far as it was, hydrostat and the pumps were good. It is strictly an engine problem. So I want everybody to understand that. Machine shows 8,000 hours. There's no way that that's correct. And I judge that based on the pins back here. Nothing is wallered out, slopped out. And keep in mind, these are the old Hobbyco meters. So if the key is on, guess what's happening? The hour meter's clicking. Any questions? 814-658-3066. Yes, we have a forklift. No, I don't have an engine for it. We would have fixed it if we had time to. This is sold as a project. We also have a 743 we're selling the same way. 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.